Example 2. Write the standard form of the equation of the ellipse whose center is 2, 1. So they gave me a center here, 2, 1. Write big C next to it. Now it tells me the horizontal axis is 6 units long. If I go back to my picture here, horizontal axis from vertex to vertex is 6 across. How far from the center in each direction? 3 right, 3 left, right, to go 6 across? All right? So that's kind of what's happening here. So the horizontal axis is 6 units long, which means 3 right and 3 left from center. All right, so if my center is here and I go 3 right, there's a vertex. And I go 3 left, that's a vertex. All right. Moving right along, it says vertical axis is 8 units long. Vertical axis is up and down from the center. It's 8 spaces apart. So how far from the center? 4 up and 4 down. 4 up and 4 down from center. So here's my center. 1, 2, 3, 4 up. There's a vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4 down. There's a vertex. Okay. I'm writing the equation of the ellipse in standard form. So again, my goal is to get x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. Okay, very important that every standard form has particular specific structures. Make sure every single square is where it belongs, every single letter where it belongs, minus signs and plus signs are what they're supposed to be, and so on and so forth. The equals 1 is part of the answer. H, K, A, and B are what I need to find. Well, the center is given. It's 1, 2, sorry, 2, 1. So H is equal to 2, and K is equal to 1. All right. A is the distance from the center to the horizontal vertex. So here's my center, here's my vertex. So A is simply how far apart those things are. So A is equal to 3. B is how far it is from my center to my vertical vertex. So this is B. So B, we're going up 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. So B is equal to 4. Okay, this time, I don't need to know what C equals because I already know A and B, right? So my task is to find the equation in standard form, find the center so I know H and K, figure out A, figure out B, and then write the answer off of that information. So parentheses, x minus 2 n parentheses squared over a squared, which would be 3 squared is 9, plus parentheses y minus k, which is 1, parentheses squared, over b squared. B is 4, so b squared is 16, equals 1. And there's my answer.